Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to put a video inside a text using Canva, and it's really easy to do. Let's start first. Create a new design. I'm going with 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, upload the video you want to appear inside the text. Now add a new page. Then go to Elements and drag a square shape. Change its color to black. Then resize it so it covers most of the canvas. Next, go to the text section and add a heading. Type the text you want to use. Increase the font size so it fills most of the square. Then choose a bold font from the font options. I'm choosing League Spartan. Now select the square and the text together, right-click and choose Download Selection. Make sure you check the option for a transparent background. Now import the PNG image into your page. Once it's added, remove the background. If you don't have the paid version, I uploaded a video showing how to remove backgrounds with the free version. You can also increase the transparency to blend it better with the background. And there, you have it, a clean video inside your text. Don't forget to subscribe.